Thinking your supplement business is safe with Stripe or PayPal? Many owners don't realize their products are high risk until their accounts get denied, or worse, frozen. Here's a simple way to check. Search for Stripe prohibited supplements on Google and review their restricted list. Take note if your product type, like weight loss formulas, testosterone boosters, or other nutraceuticals, appears on the list. This quick manual check gives you an idea of whether your business could face account denials, freezes, or fund holds. But it's just the first step. It won't protect you from future risk. Many supplement and nutraceutical brands find out too late that their products are high risk. Even if Stripe or PayPal initially approves you, any unusual activity could trigger account closures. This is where EasyPay Direct comes in. They specialize in high risk industries like supplements, providing direct underwriting and stable approvals. That means your account is matched with a bank that understands your business, reducing the chances of freezes, declines, or unexpected shutdowns. A helpful note from their FAQ: a nutraceutical merchant account is specifically designed for businesses selling supplements, vitamins, and health products. Knowing this helps you understand why high risk protections are necessary from day one. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check them out and see if your supplement business qualifies for a stable, high risk merchant account. Don't wait until your account is denied or frozen. With this simple check in EasyPay Direct's support, you can keep payments running smoothly and focus on growing your supplement business. The sign up link is right there in the description when you are ready.